Today I am going to tell you 12 interesting tips on Microsoft Word. You need to press plus button first, then make dashes with the help of minus button. Here we have taken plus button to adjust the column width and draw like this. Now press enter. As you can see, we have 4 columns here. Similarly, you can get as many as you want. And you can add unlimited rows by pressing tab button. Suppose you have a lot of names or any other items with the prefixes which you want to remove. Normally, we need to press Ctrl button and then select individually. Or there is an easiest way. Just press Alt button and then drag it like this. Suppose you need to calculate something in Word. First press Ctrl F9. You can see one selected area has appeared. Now put equal sign there, then write whatever you want to calculate. After that, press F9. Here you got your answer. To view or edit your previous formula, you can press Ctrl Z. Just add hyphens 3 or more times and enter. Here we got a line. Similarly, we can do this with these signs also. Select clipboard first, then go to the text and copy it. Now you can see that all your copied text is available on the clipboard. Later you can use them as per your wish by paste option. And if you press paste all, it will all come in the same sequence as it was copied earlier. Click on the box where you want your answer and go to the Layout tab and select Formula. Then just add your desired formula. And answer will automatically come into the selected box. the same manner, you can calculate for every row and column. To shrink your content, what you need to do is go to Quick Access toolbar and click More Commands. Then you need to select Shrink one page. Now select the needed area and select on the Shrink button. Now your content is shrinked. Select the area. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Text into Table option and select number of columns needed. You can see it's separated into 4 columns. Now your text is converted into table. Select Desired Format. Click Format Painter on Home tab. Now go to the text where you want to copy the similar format and select. As you can see, it changed into copied format. Select the needed content and go to the File tab and click on Options. Then to the Proofing and opt for Autocorrect option. Now go to Replace and insert any symbol of your choice for the selected content. Come back to your page and insert the same symbol. You will see the same text will be inserted. Go to the Insert tab and click on Screenshots, where we'll find the available window apps. You can select the desired one. And also we can copy any area of the screen. For that, go to Screen Clipping and select the area which you want to clip. Click your cursor at the end of the page and go to the page layout and select page setup and then change orientation. Now go down and select this point forward option. Now you can see your page layout has changed. Then if you wish to keep only this page as landscape, then go to the end of the page and repeat the same action as I am doing. So like this, you can have mixed page setup in one document. So this is my today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon in my next video. Bye.